Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to allocate more RAM to DaVinci Resolve. If you've been experiencing lag or slow performance while editing, increasing the RAM allocation can significantly improve your workflow and make the application run much smoother. Let's get started. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the text that says DaVinci Resolve in the menu bar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Preferences. This is where you'll access all the configuration settings that control how DaVinci Resolve operates on your system. Once the Preferences window opens, make sure you're on the System tab. This tab is typically selected by default, but if you're not there, simply click on System at the top of the window. The System tab contains all the core settings related to how DaVinci Resolve utilizes your computer's hardware resources. Now, on the left side of the Preferences window, you'll see a list of different categories. Click on Memory and GPU. This section is specifically designed to manage how DaVinci Resolve uses your system's memory and graphics processing unit. It's a crucial area for optimizing performance, especially when working with high-resolution footage or complex timelines. Once you're in the Memory and GPU section, look for the area labeled Memory Configuration. This is where you'll find the controls for adjusting RAM allocation. You'll see an option that says Limit Resolve Memory Usage to. This setting determines the maximum amount of RAM that DaVinci Resolve is allowed to use while running. By default, it might be set to a conservative amount to prevent the application from consuming all your system's memory. However, if you have plenty of RAM available and want to give DaVinci Resolve more power, you can adjust this slider, move it to the right to increase the allocation, or set it to a specific value that works best for your editing needs. Keep in mind that you should leave enough RAM for your operating system and other applications to run smoothly. After you've adjusted the memory allocation to your preferred setting, it's time to save your changes. Look at the bottom of the Preferences window and click on Save. This ensures that your new RAM allocation settings will be applied the next time you work in DaVinci Resolve. You may need to restart the application for the changes to take full effect. And that's it. You've successfully allocated more RAM to DaVinci Resolve, which should help improve your editing performance and reduce lag. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.